If your pool skimmer Weir door is broken or stuck, fixing it fast is key to keeping your pool clean and your water flowing right. So, first, shut off your pool pump to avoid any accidents while you're working on the skimmer. Next, grab a replacement Weir door that matches your skimmer model. Trust me, it's worth double-checking that fit so you don't end up with a loose or wonky door. When you take off the old one, be gentle but firm. They can get stuck from debris or wear over time. Clean out any gunk or buildup around the skimmer opening because that's often why the door gets stuck in the first place. Slide the new Weir door into place, making sure it moves freely without catching. Turn your pump back on and watch how the new door swings open and closed. If it's smooth, you're golden. Remember, a working Weir door helps skim leaves and bugs off the surface, so you don't have to chase them later. If you notice the door still sticks, check for cracks or warping and consider upgrading to a more durable model. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool skimmer Weir doors is ignoring early signs of damage, which leads to poor water circulation and more debris in the pool. Fix this by inspecting your skimmer regularly and replacing the door as soon as it shows wear. Another issue is buying the wrong replacement part. Not all Weir doors are created equal, so always match your model number or check with your pool supplier before ordering. Lastly, not cleaning the skimmer area when installing a new door can cause it to jam again quickly. Make sure to clear out all leaves, dirt, and algae before popping on the new part. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who need trusted local contractors to tackle repairs like a pool skimmer Weir door replacement. It's also perfect for contractors wanting to find good clients and grow their business without all the hassle.